We back, Cooks with Cartea. Y'all see what we got going on today. Y'all see our ingredients. Today we making breakfast. So as y'all can see, we got our red and yellow potatoes. We cleaned those up already. We got a green bell pepper. We got some fresh spinach. We got 3 eggs. We got some butter. We got pre-cooked turkey sausage. Make it a little bit easier and quicker. And then we got some turkey bacon too. All-purpose seasoning. We got a little pepper, and then we have some olive oil. And that's really it. Not too many ingredients. It's pretty easy. So let's get cooking. Let's get some oil in here so we can get our bacon, our turkey bacon, and our sausage. We're gonna get that in there. We're gonna get that going. I don't know why I chose to use this small cutting board, because this ain't it. Once we put that bacon in there, then we're gonna throw our turkey sausage in there shortly after. But we're gonna chop this turkey sausage up a little bit. We're gonna chop them up into bite-sized pieces. Good heat. We can get this bacon in here. Now, you can use pork. You can use, you know, regular pork sausage, or, you know, whatever you prefer. I don't eat pork, so, you know, that's the only reason why we're not doing the pork, doing the turkey bacon. Alright, so we still got our turkey bacon and our turkey sausage in there. We're letting that finish up. While we're doing that, we are going to go ahead and start chopping up our potatoes. We got our turkey bacon and our turkey sausage done. Y'all see all that oil and you know, that juice that's in there? We want that. We're gonna leave that in there. We're gonna keep our heat on about a medium. Let's get a little bit of butter up in there. And now let's go ahead and get our potatoes in there. Let them start doing their thing in there. We're gonna season these up. We came down about a low medium for now. I want to let that pan cool down just a little bit. So we're gonna come in with our seasoned salt, all purpose. Now you can use, it's really just, you know, garlic powder, salt, pepper, onion powder, you know. Throw a little bit more pepper in there. And then me, I like to throw a little smoked paprika in there too, because I just like that taste, that smokiness, that taste that it gives. Kind of coat all these potatoes evenly. We're gonna mix that around like that. Turn the heat back up to about a medium high. We're gonna cover the potatoes up so that they can kind of get a little soft, get a little steam to them. And then once they get good softness to them, we're gonna get that lid off, and then we pretty much gonna start adding everything else to our dish, because then the skillet kind of almost become a one pot. Let's get that covered up. Boom. Now while we do have our potatoes going, let's go ahead and just get our bell peppers. Get our bell pepper chopped up too. You can add a, you know, red bell pepper. Don't have to be the green one. You know, I like the green one. I like the color. Because we got spinach along with it too, so you know that green, earthy color is just kind of pop in the dish. Yeah, you could use a red bell pepper. You could throw some orange in there, you know. Throw a little color in there. Do your thing. Like I said, you could poke at your potatoes. They're about ready. Now we're not done cooking yet, so they still gonna cook. Potatoes still gonna cook. So you don't want to get them too soft right now because we still got the rest of the ingredients to cook through. So let's go ahead and get our bell peppers in there because we want those to cook down too. We want those to get kind of soft. Go ahead and cook those down. We got the heat down to about medium, low medium. Butter make everything taste butter. Some people, they like that little crisp on their potatoes. Some people like a little color, you know what I'm saying? We getting some color definitely from that seasoning, from that smoked paprika. We getting that, you know, kind of like that brownish reddish color. So that's kind of where that comes from. So we're gonna let that do its thing. Smelling great so far. Clean as you go. If you make a little mess and you got a little time to spare, wipe your surfaces down. You know what I'm saying? Put your dishes in some soapy water in the sink. You know, just make it easier throughout the process. Less you gotta do later on. Then you can just get right to the meal. So we're gonna cover just for a little bit. A couple minutes. Yes, sir. Take the lid off. Go ahead and get our turkey bacon and our turkey sausage in there. Right here while we still got a pretty hot pan. And then once we get everything else in there, then we're gonna, you know, let everything finish cooking. What we doing next, you said? We pretty much got that cooked down. Got everything cooked down. And then next, we're gonna add that fresh spinach. Cause we doing healthy vibes too. Come on now. Come on, a little health. You can do this one of two ways. You can, we're gonna do it both ways though. You can kind of mix this in there, and you know it's gonna spin and cook down easy, real fast. You kind of mix it in there, and as you start to mix it in there, then you know it's gonna cook down. Put a little salt on there. And you could do it just like this. Boom. So as you can see, cook down with a little, you know, got that moisture on it, so it cook down. And that's where we want it. So we're gonna kill our heat, got down to a low simmer. And our last step of cooking is gonna be our eggs. Now, some people you could do it however you like your eggs. You can scramble your eggs. You could do egg whites, or you could do, you know, the sunny side up eggs. So we're gonna make some pits. We got 3 eggs in this one, in this skillet. So we're gonna make about 3 pits. Go ahead and get our eggs cracked. Throw a little pepper on our egg. Throw some salt, or you can throw a little bit more seasoned salt. Just a little bit on there. Like that. We pretty much done, y'all. So all we do now is cover it up, let those eggs cook, and we'll go just like that. Turn the heat up just a little bit. We was at a low simmer before. We came about to a low medium, but let everything else cook off. Let those eggs cook. Yeah, we almost eating. All right, y'all. So I mean, we about there. To be honest, I like a little cheese on mine. So put some cheese on there. Some white cheddar. This skillet right here, clutch for breakfast time. It's easy. Like I said, it's like a one pot. Once you get one thing going, everything else just, you know what I'm saying, just incorporate. But I ain't gonna lie though, I'm hungry. So let's go ahead and get some on the plate. Got y'all breakfast skillet. Let's go ahead and have us a bite. A little bit of everything up in there. Sausage too. Here's our right here. If I have a little bread, a little biscuit or something, sop that right up. A little bread and a little biscuit, nothing. Do one more. Potatoes are perfect. A little hot. Try this recipe, man. Coach Cartea. See y'all on the next one.